Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable background app refresh for specific apps on iPhone. So, if you want some application to work in the background section of your iPhone, such as your WhatsApp, your Facebook, or your Gmail, then there is no need to turn off background app refresh on those apps. So if you want to enable the background app refresh on this particular application, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to enable background app refresh for specific apps on iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on General. Under General, you want to scroll down and then click on Background App Refresh. Once you click on Background App Refresh, choose Background App Refresh, then choose Wi-Fi and Cellular, so that whether your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or a cellular data, you'll be able to refresh the application in the background session. Then now scroll down, enable all the application you want to refresh the background and disable the application you don't want to refresh the background. So it's as simple as that. Just go ahead, disable all the applications you don't want to use, and then enable the ones you want to use. So you can see, once you've disabled the one you don't want to refresh the background, then go ahead and enable the one you want to refresh the background. However, if you use Siri, you want to make sure you enable Siri so that you're able to use Siri in the background section of your phone. You see that? And then you are good. So that's exactly how to enable background app refresh for specific apps on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.